In APB protocol, certain signal may remain stable during the specific phases of a transfer. Means we have completed our phases like phase, idle phase, after that our access phase or transfer phase, like that. Now we will check our signals, that if our signal should be stable for that part of phase or our signal should be unstable, then we will check that. Any glitch or change in this signal during transfer can cause a protocol violation and incorrect data transaction. As you can see, the specific our FSM says that if this signal is 00, then idle phase will be there, like P select or P enable, but it doesn't say about our other signals, what are they doing when these two signals are there. So we will check our other signals as well. Using SystemVerilog assertions, we can enforce that these signals do not change when the transfer has begun. So we will check our transfer, how it's transferring our data with the help of our control signals, and this behavior we will check with our assertions. This ensures our correct handshake behavior and prevent design bugs related to HTTP secrets. So let's begin our checking. So this is our first. So parametric property to check signal is not X or Z. So in our transfer, we don't want our signal to be unknown or high impedance. So we will check dollar is unknown. It is our system task. We can use in that if the signal, any signal is unknown or any signal is high impedance, so it will check and it will give error if the property is violated. Means how is the property violated? At every process of clock, it will check if there is a reset. If there is no reset, then it will check that if signal is unknown or not. If it is unknown, then it will give an error. It means our assertion will fail. If it is not unknown, then the assertion will pass. Next is our parametric property to check if signal is stable during the transfer. Means we will check our property that signal is stable or not. If the signal change means the state become idle or setup, that is the transfer just means. So let's check our assertion. Our parametric generic stable means our signal should be stable. This is also system tag used in assertion, that is $stable signal. Whichever signal we want, we can check that it is stable, and at the next clock cycle, if it is stable, the signal is stable, then setup phase or idle phase should be there. So it is simple assertion. The first line is same for all the assertions, and second is our using of $stable. So in this part of video, I will just tell you about the unknown or stable. This type of system task we can use for checking our different signals. So it is simple assertions like $stable signal, and setup phase or idle phase should be there if the signal is stable.